Good morning, everyone. Let's see our first customer. Okay, so this is 2004, I think. Yeah, 2004 Toyota Sienna. It says no power steering. Oh yeah, it's a complaint. Oh my god. Let's go check. Oh, there's no belt. No belt. Over there. You can see one belt over there. So no belt. Maybe the belt is broken. Let's go get. Let's go somewhere by. Oh, right there. I saw it. Belt. Okay, makes sense. So we got the parts. It's 4K347 AC Delco. And before we can put this, we need to remove the alternator belt. Right, let's do it. Okay. 13. It's number 13. We're just gonna loosen this. This number 12. Okay. It's not bad. So we need to loosen this. Just one in order to loosen this belt. These are all 12. Ano atibtog ajo? Amor mo ko retan.
Ay, di.
Then loosen this too. This bolt right here. That's number 14. Just loosen it. And then pull the belt apart. Just loosen it. Okay, now it's loose.
Tinagan. Tatan.
Alright. A little bit more. Okay. Alright. Okay, good. That's good. Alright, next one. Flashlight man jo. Okay, so that's the power steering pump. So we will be loosening, I think this. So this is number 12 too. So we will be loosening this. Before that, let's try to put this first. Made in Mexico. Alright. Oh, you know what? 22. Tapos pusipos kulatan. 22 nga sakit. Yeah. And then this one, maybe let's zip tie.
Oh, pangarap ti sa itin na gano'n.
Yeah, that's 22. Zip tie, Joe. Zip tie. Then I'll do zip tie. For this, zip tie. Then just rotate this. That's the plan.
Okay, sama pinamayan tayo ng bagay.
Boy, di ba? Alright. Okay. Let's do it. Let's rotate it. Let's see if it will work. There you go. There you go. Nice. Ooh. Right. Okay. That's not nice. There you go. All right. That's it. That's good. We don't need to loosen that. Maybe the belt is just old. The plate breaks for this one. Yep. All right. Good. Alright, so we did also put the alternator belt and just tighten this and that's it.
Palit ka.
Nung nakaraan. Yung mga ganyan, yung sayo. Paras na parehas.
Ewan ko, hindi ko pa nakakasya.
Nako, ano mo. Kasi yung isa kong naputulan. That's it. Ano na. Hindi na ano. Kung walang records kasi.
Pwede mo makitingnan yung maya, di ba?
Hindi kasi. Kasi ano siya eh. Alright, so let's start it. Wow. Oh. Look at. It's all good. Alright, that's it. That. Go. Sige.
May account sa Facebook, di ba?
Mayroon.
Oo.